Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is July 2nd, 2024, and Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and the YouTube channel. We want to get our YouTube subscribers caught up with our newsletter subscribers, so we'll catch up with a couple things from the last couple days, okay? But I want to touch base on Nvidia. It's been a while, and seems like everybody likes it or owns it or wants it. But we're looking at a daily chart of Nvidia from the March pandemic low in 2020. We have a 1 up and a 2 down. And you can see here wave 3 gains equality with 1 here at 41.01. I know these numbers sound way off, but that's what it was. Okay, and we've got that 3 up there, but there's a 1.618 here and a 2.618 there. I want to let you guys know the 3 could be here. We'll see how that plays out, but we have it here for now above the 1.0 and below the 1.618. But we could have this 3 wave extending, okay? Let me get out. This is a little crowded, so I want to get down to an hourly chart to show the market up from there. And we'll go a full page and we'll get this here, okay? So from that 3, we had, this looked like a 4. You guys that have been around for a while know that I learned Elliott Wave on a 4th wave. It's long and sideways, and this looks like a 4th wave by definition, okay? So for wave 5, we've got 1 up, 2 down, and 3 up. And let me extrapolate this stuff out a little bit, if I can. Okay, so there's the 1 up, there's the 2 down, and there's the 3 up on the June 20th high at 141. We've got an ABC correction, which looks like 115 for a low there. I think that high is right around 129, okay? So then if that's A down and that's B up, then C equals A at 103.72, and that's right near the 618 retracement. I can get this in a lot better if I do it like that. There we go. Okay, there's that. Let me make this much easier for everyone to see. We'll move these guys over, and the different colors are the after hours and before hours, okay? So we had an A and a B. So C equals A down here at 103.72, and the 50% retracement for wave 4 is 103.78. We have a higher target up here to 382 at 111.16, okay? So it looks like we have an A down, a B up, and a C down for this 4. And since it is a 4, it could be a long and sideways overlapping triangle pattern, but it's way too early in the pattern to tell. Those things take a while to develop, and we'll see that in the A and the ES, okay? But that's where we are with Nvidia, and of course any move above 141 means this correction is over, and we'll have new all-time highs, obviously, and we can calculate those once we know the bottom of this correction here, whether it's here or somewhere else, one of these lower targets. We'll allow for those. This does not look impulsive to the upside yet, okay? So that's it on Nvidia. I want to show you guys, that's not it, that's not it, that's it. We're looking at the ES here. By the way, I do use some moving averages and stochastics, but I usually keep them out of the videos so there's less action to see. Okay, so I wanted to show, and I got the wrong chart. I wanted to show you guys the daily chart on the S&P just for the to show you the key reversal day that happened on Friday the 28th. It's when the market makes a higher high. This is a daily chart, and closes below the previous day's low, which it did. That was a key reversal. There's a key reversal trade, a classic trade. That's 4 steps in 4 days, and I'll get into that next with this this report we did on 7/1, if I can find that here, 7/2/7/1. So this was Monday pre-market open. There's day 1 of key reversal day. I'll just flip down here. I wanted to show you guys the explanation of the key reversal day. We have the 4-day and 4-step program there, but it's very definitive. You sell the higher open on the day after, which was Monday. 2 conditions must be met: must make a new low, and it must close below the previous day's close. Okay, so those are specific instructions there, and we will go right to the ES here, and that's not what we want. Okay, but let's go back to the SPX and the daily. There we go. That didn't happen the next day. Okay, there's the next day on Monday. Okay, it did make a lower low, but it didn't close below Friday, so the trade was off. And like I said in the report, if we can get it here, historically, I've seen some of these key reversal days exited on the first trading day. That happened this time, and some last 4 days or longer. But it's really good. It's definitive, and I actually got in on the key reversal to the downside and exited and made money, even though it didn't play out for 4 days, because it was a good opportunity. Okay, so let's get back to that ES here, and here's our analysis from this low here back in May. We have a 1 up, a 2 down. The 3 looks like it hit right on the 1.414 within a quarter of a point, 1 1/4 points. Okay, and then we've got this ABC pattern. There's a couple things going on. Again, I touch back on the base at 4s can be long and sideways. It could be A, B, C, and done. However, our target was 54.95 for C to equal A, and it only got to 55.0275. Usually our targets are within a point or right on, or 2 points, but not usually this far apart, which is 7 points or more than 7. So since this is a fourth wave, we think it'll probably go from an A down, B up to C down to a D up. Basically, what looks like a triple high. We had a 55.88 here. I think this was 55.85, and it's close now. It's within, less than 20 points, like 18 points of getting a D wave high. So a flat top and then a descending bottom for that triangle. There's also an open gap down here at 54.38 back here from June 12th. Okay, but here's our wave 4 targets. 54.91 is the 382, 54.61 is the 50% retracement, and 54.31 is the 618, and that would basically close that gap at 54.38. So obviously a move above 55.88, a significant move. I mean, D could top a point or two higher and still be basically a flat top. But any move above 55.88 means this correction is over and we're going up to new highs, and our next target there is 56.24 1/4. Okay, but I think this is more likely to play out with an up near that high and then a down to put that right near our targets. Again, we're usually used to being within 1 or 2, so that makes me think we'll get a long sideways pattern. These fourth waves are hard to trade because it's a lot of up and down, a lot of overlap. A lot of people want to avoid them. I mean, unless you're experienced and used to trading them. I mean, I like trading them because you get moves, but that'll be a significant move. A little up, further down. We'll see how that plays out, okay? But let's go from there to the, there's the same chart, okay? Let's go from there to the Woodson Wave Report from today, the market close, and there's the wave forward. There's the same chart you saw, okay? If it's an ABC simple correction, then we'll see a move up above 55.88 to new all-time highs. Otherwise, we're looking at a triangle pattern, A, B, C, D, E. That's what all that says right there. Okay, and that's where it went 7 points above the target. We're not used to that. We're used to getting closer. Okay, so we'll see how that plays out. And here's those targets right there. A move above 55.88. The correction is complete. Oh, for you guys there too, and I want to get in the key reversal. Abbreviated trading schedule for futures and the cash market. On July 3rd, the cash market will close at noon. Futures Central Time, because they're in Chicago for the futures. They will halt from from noon till 5 on the 3rd and the 4th. Okay, and here's the update on that. Okay, there's that was day 1 after the key reversal trade. Sell the higher open. We did that. Must make a new low. That was achieved. Condition number 2: must close lower than the previous trading day, which was Friday. If not, exit the trade. And that's what I did. Took the profits and went. Okay, don't go to day 2. It's 4 days. It's in our it's in the video on demand subscription, which anyway, it's one of our subscription services there. You can see that on our page there under order here and register, and it has all the different subscriptions there. Okay, so by the way, there's our disclaimer. Any trade you make are your own. Trade at your own risk. You can lose money. You probably will lose money trading futures. Significant risk. Okay, so that one worked out. You could get in that one, and it didn't play out for 4 days, but it still left a great opportunity to make some profits. Okay, so let's get back on that 7.2. Here we are. Here's what we're looking at. Okay, again, for the last time, a move above 55.88. A significant move means the correction is over and we're going to new highs. Otherwise, we're looking for a D wave up and an E wave down to complete wave 4 to one of these targets here. It'd be nice if it hit that 618 and close that gap. Okay, we'll see how that plays out. Watch the abbreviated trading schedule the next 2 days, and you guys have a happy 4th of July. Until next time, take care, everyone.